I started generating an extra income from home in my free time. I was tired of my 9-to-5 job and struggling to understand how I could meet my financial needs. I had big dreams and goals, and achieving them was very important to me. But I didn't know where to start. Then I found a solution. Someone I know told me that he was taking online classes through an academy. He explained that I could also join the academy, learn valuable digital skills, and work from home for just 2 to 3 hours in my free time to create an additional source of income. I immediately asked him to help me enroll. It didn't take long, and I was registered and ready to start my online classes. I learned a lot about digital skills, social media, and AI tools. Today, after finishing my job, I come home and spend some time learning and working on social media, and I have started building an additional source of income. If you also have goals and financial needs that your 9-to-5 job alone cannot fulfill, don't wait. Join *** Freelance Tech Academy *** today and learn